Hey guys, let's go and travel to Sapa, Vietnam. Our flight to Hanoi, Vietnam was 5:15 in the morning. But around 1 a.m., we were already at the airport kasi dinala pa namin yung mga baggages namin sa check-in counter. And may mga nakikita kami online na ang haba daw ng pila sa immigration. So, we made sure na maaga pumunta. We booked our ticket with Cebu Pacific and we paid 9,794 for our Manila-Hanoi round-trip flight. Pagdating namin ng Hanoi or Noi Bai International Airport, sinundo na kami nung sleeper bus na nabook namin via Klook for 420,000 dong or around 985 in peso. And ito yung maghahatid sa amin going to Sapa, Vietnam. Before sumakay, the driver asked us to remove our shoes and pinalagay niya dun sa black plastic. And dun pala sa booking, naka-include na dun yung parang seat number. So, hinanap lang namin siya. Yung binook namin is itong nasa taas kasi this is for one person or single packs. And yung sa baba naman is for 2 persons. They have here a headset and a charging port for USB type. And included na rin yung isang pillow and isang blanket. Pero guys, sobrang lamig, hindi umepekto yan. And here they have a monitor. You can request for the remote if you want to watch a movie. Also, this is a massage chair. So it includes a remote wherein you can adjust the intensity. And you can even put a timer. So napakaganda talaga nito for a 6-hour travel. And here you can put down the window if you don't want na masyadong maliwanag. And you can close the curtain para din for some privacy. Yung friend kong nakakapit. Saan taas mo? Taas mo? Sagat na. Every 2 hours, tumipigil kami sa mga bus stops for snacks or CR break. And we need to pay 3,000 dong to use their toilet. May kasama na rin namang tissue dyan. And nagkwekwentuhan kami kasi lahat pala kami ihina. Kasi grabe guys, sobrang lamig sa labas. Plus, naka full mode pa yung aircon sa loob ng bus. So grabe talaga kalamig. I was able to sleep naman for a few minutes pero panay yung gising ko kasi napakaganda ng view sa labas. After 6 hours, we arrived at our drop-off point and pagdating namin may nakaabang ng shuttle na maghahatid sa aming hotel. We checked in at sa Paris Hotel and our room is good for 4 persons. We were able to book this via Agoda app and it cost us 7,700 pesos for 3 days and 2 nights. Luckily, yung hotel namin is malapit lang dito sa Sapa Convention Center. So, dito maraming nakapalibot na restaurants as well as malapit siya sa Sapa Station. Kung saan dito yung sakayan papuntang Fansipan. But, unfortunately, yung punta namin naka-close si Fansipan for maintenance. Pero, ayun, I think that's another reason for us to come back. And here we are buying some stuff kasi hindi enough yung nadala namin. So we had to buy extra gloves and scarf kasi sobrang lamig paggabi. After that, naghanap na kami ng restaurant to have our dinner and I was not able to video that kasi sobrang gutom na plus super lamig. Recorded na yan! So that's it guys. That's our day 1. Our trip from Manila to Hanoi and to Sapa, Vietnam. Tune in for more videos. Bye!